Good afternoon everyone. This is our project Siddha Waterfront at Khorda near Rohra Ramakrishna Mission. So come inside. This is a 3 BHK of 1170 square feet sellable area. So you can see this is the living cum dining area, and just in front of you can see this is the attached balcony space. So beautiful balcony space along with internal buildings view and cityscape. So come inside. So again, this is the living cum dining area, and this is the lobby space. Just on my right side, this is the kitchen space. Beautiful L pattern kitchen countertop with separate space for refrigerator. So come this side. This is the black granite countertop along with space for stainless sink and a big size French window. So come this side. Just adjacent to that, this is the first bedroom. The size of the bedroom is approximately 11 by 11 feet and with a huge French style window along with space for your AC unit and beautiful outside view from the window. So have a look on the space. So now come outside. So on my left side, this is the second bedroom. So come inside. So and this bedroom is also having a attached balcony space. So come this side. This is beautiful view of the city along with internal garden view and internal buildings view along with some water body view and beautiful cityscape. So you can see the park from here and the roads. So this bedroom is also having attached toilet space. So come this side. This is the attached toilet area. Very big size attached toilet. So now come again. So come on the third bedroom. This is also a master bedroom and with this toilet. This is another toilet and big size window. Wall mount commode will be given, and this is the third bedroom along with windows on both the sides. Very nice utilization of space. The size of the bedroom is approximately 11 by 12 feet long with an excellent view from the window. You can see the city view from the window, and from this window also you can see excellent view of the city. So this is a flat of 3 BHK 1170 square feet sellable area. So excellently designed space. So thank you everybody. Thanks for watching this video. So if you are interested, then please call us as soon as possible, because we are having some great offers for you for very limited period, and this is absolutely ready to move in condition. So no GST. It's a huge offer for you. So thanks a lot. Have a great day.